Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Stay looking young with these most potent best anti-aging foods. Beautiful glowing skin start with how we eat. But these anti-aging foods can also help with more than that. When we pack our diet with vibrant food loaded with antioxidants, healthy fats, water, and essential nutrients, our body will show its appreciation through its largest organ. After all, the skin is often the first part of our body to show internal trouble, and there's only so much that lotions, creams, masks, and serums can do before we need to take a closer look at what's fueling us. Here is the foods that help to make us look like younger. 1. Nuts. Dried fruits contain more nutrients than the fresh fruits. Nuts help us to overcome the general health problem that we face in winter season. Try to include nuts in your diet. 2. Berries. Berries contain antioxidative chemicals help to bring the brightness to our face. Number 3. Green leafy vegetables. Vitamin C is rich in green leafy vegetables, help the skin to be more brighter and also remove the folds on the skin. Number 4. Fish. Fishes contain 3 omega fatty acids. It makes the skin stronger, smoother and brighter and also reduce the folds on the skin. Number 5. Grains. Grains contain lot of vitamins. Grains are rich in B complex. It deals with the functionality of the heart and improves the health condition of the heart. Number 6. Green tea. It is an antioxidant help to refresh the mind and makes the people look like younger and cleans the bad cholesterol in the body. Number 7. Water plays an important role in the body. It works a lot internally and externally for the body. Take daily 8 to 10 glasses of water, which is required for the body and make us look like younger. Number 8. Chocolates. Eating chocolates is not a bad habit. It contains good characteristics. Chocolates contains cocoa. Milk dairy products help the healthy blood circulation over the body and make the skin smoother and protect the skin from being folds. Number 9. Pomegranate seeds. Pomegranates have been used for centuries as a healing medical fruit, high in vitamin C and a variety of potent antioxidants. Pomegranates may protect our body from free radical damage and reduce level of inflammation in our system. These healthy fruits also contain a compound called collagen, which may help to preserve collagen in the skin, slowing sign of aging. Sprinkle these sweet little jewels onto a baby's peanut walnut salad for anti-aging treat. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe and share this video with your friends and family too.